You and me, we both know how hard life can be. Suffering, it's such a deep part of our lives. Oh, how we suffer. We suffer and we suffer and we suffer and we suffer. There's no end to it. So thank God that there is a 2 minutes daily, highly spiritual practice that helps us to get rid of our suffering. There's just one problem. You're not gonna like it. I just did the best takes that I have done, and I was not recording. Man, that's a joke. That's so fun. Okay, well, we just have to do it again. There's no way around it. There's no way around it. Hola, my friends, and welcome to Living Life with Life, the series where we are reflecting and learning about life together. My name is Jonathan, and today we're talking about how to make suffering easier for ourselves, which is something that I think is a crazy important topic. I think it's a crazy important skill and knowledge to really have about life. But before we can talk about that, we need to talk a little about suffering itself first. So sit back, get comfortable, and let's talk about life. Here's my hot take on suffering. Suffering is actually here to serve us. Think about it for a moment. If I am suffering from low self-worth and I decide to bargain on the journey of finding my self-worth, it may take a really long time, but when I have found it, I will never be able to lose it again. No one will ever be able to take it away from me again. I will be closer to myself than I've ever been before in my life, and I will have grown immensely spiritually on the journey. All of these qualities, which are really, really good qualities, were all facilitated by the very suffering. So, when we are saying no to suffering, we're actually saying no to a profound present that life is giving us. And also, when we are saying no to suffering, that is actually when the suffering is hurting us, because we are resisting. If I'm resisting suffering, suffering will break me. This is when we get hurt. But if I'm surrendering to suffering, I am bending. I will not get hurt. The suffering will just pass through me, and I will, I actually broke it. but you get the point, right? So then I just really have to say, thank God. Thank God that there is a daily spiritual practice that we can do that is teaching us exactly this, how to surrender to suffering. And it only takes 2 minutes of our day. But you're gonna hate it. The mind has a million reasons why not to do it. One of them is, I just really do not want to do it. But I'm stronger than the mind. I am stronger than my desires. So, by practicing cold showers, we are directly practicing surrendering to suffering. Because it's uncomfortable. No one wants to do a cold shower. It's uncomfortable sensations. But what we do is that we just focus the mind, and we just calmly be in our breath. That's the whole thing. That's the whole thing we do. Suffering and cold shower, it's not that different. The suffering is way worse. And just breathe. Just breathe through it. There's nothing else to do. Calm the mind wants to leave, the mind wants to get out right away. But now, a minute has passed, and I'm okay. It's only the first minute that's difficult, and getting in. The first minute and getting in is very difficult. But here we are. Look at that. Yeah, there we go. There we go. It's only like the first minute, maybe the first minute and a half. Now we're there. And there we go. 2 minutes cold shower. Bada bing, bada boom. Highly spiritual. And remember. So why is this important? The beautiful, beautiful depths of life can only be experienced through a calm mind. A noisy mind is born out of a suffering mind. A calm mind is born out of a light mind. Therefore, cleaning our minds should be of the utmost importance in our lives. Disclaimer, will taking cold showers make you a fucking saint? No, it will not. And that's not really the point here either. The point is that cold showers are teaching us two valuable things. One, it's teaching us to be stronger than the mind. No one wants to take a cold shower. I never want to do it. And yet, we are doing it anyway. Because we're stronger than the mind. We're stronger than our desire of not doing it. If we are not stronger than our mind, if we are not stronger than our desires, we are a slave to our desires. We're a slave to our mind. We don't want to be that. Two, it's teaching us to surrender and breathe through uncomfortable sensations. Because when it comes to it, that's really all that suffering really is. Suffering really just is uncomfortable, painful sensations, but nothing more. And why is this important? This is important because the journey of opening the heart up to life is the journey of opening the heart up to all of the pain that closed our hearts to begin with. And when that overwhelmingly pain comes, if we are resisting, we are breaking. But if we are surrendering, we are allowing it to flow and we grow closer to ourselves. Go get a stronger faith in ourselves, a lot of good qualities. So, when the overwhelming pain comes, are you going to be the one that breaks? Or are you going to be the one that grows? The choice is yours. Be happy.